Thanks for checking out the channel, guys. We're doing some sturgeon fishing today. Hope you guys like the content. Like and subscribe.
I think the same thing applies to this fish.
Go get it. He's on there. Make sure it confirms. Yep.
So we don't like to set the hook on bites. We like to reel down, and then once you see that rod is loaded up, you could pick it up and start fighting your fish. And if there's no fish on there, then you could just put it right back down. Here's another example of that. The second rod is getting some bites. The angler comes up, confirms the bites are still going, and then he reels down and just keeps it tight.
No, хочете? Тягнути, ні? It's kind of small.
Тут мов болить дуже. Чи посідалищний нерв, или там еще что-то.
What the hell?
Ага. Ребенок.
Aw, little baby.
What is it, 66 probably?
70?
No way. I felt it was warm.
Есть.
You want to fight it?
No.
You know, a lot of muting.
Oh, I feel on this one. That's not good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Unless I'm getting hits on it. Are you on it?
Dude, I'm not. No, dude.
Sure, I'm getting hits then. No, I feel it.
I may be. Cause I mean, I can't really tell, but let me just go under.
Yeah. Can you go under that road?
Go under, yeah.
There you go.
Perfect. Let's see, probably should swing that one back out.
Красавчик.
Probably get this bait tray out of there.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
It's gonna be like that.
Ты его так моришь.
Ooh.
Красавчик.
Slightly over almost, huh?
I think it's like a good, probably split over.
Я думаю, это сайз.
You subdued him pretty good.
Да, это сайз.
Might be a 60, huh?
It's gonna be close.
Сайз.
Maybe. I think he's still green though. You brought him in pretty quick.
I think.
Keep it upside down.
Dude, look at all the
Over,
rub.
я думаю,
That's over.
Too big?
It will be, but we can throw tape on it. It's gonna be like 63, 64.
Grab tape right there on the right side.
Сколько вы думаете?
Не знаю.
61.
Да, в сантиметрах до метра.
64 is gonna be. No way, dude. 60 с половиной.
Oh,
Сколько? 5 feet.
60 and 3/4.
wow.
Man.
Alright, guys.
There's no bathroom, like, you know.
Oh, really? It makes you go?
Sometimes it does. Wait, just wait.
Тудалочку, хорошо.
Стоять, ежик.
О-о.
Что мы его за живот, что ли?
Не, она просто как крокодил. Все, больше не надо, хватит. Больше не надо, просто держите так.
Пока она устанет.
Да.
Ну опять она маленькая.
What'd you say? Oh, we're about to get hit up right now. We're about to hook up. Yep, we're on. We're on. FaceTime you, bro.
Так, это уже будет сайз.
That's the size.
Yeah, bro. Oh shoot! I spilled this guy's Snapple.
I know I did. I didn't close the lid inside.
Is he? He's right there. Like even tomorrow and the next day look really good weather.
Well, shit, you guys are having a good day. That's nice. Good to hear.
No worries. Have a good one. But yeah, try to get out while it's hot. Peace.
Yeah, let me know if you go again. I'm
We'll
down.
do, bro. Peace.
All right, later.
Dude, you're kind of struggling with that one.
Can't use that rail, boy. Let's keep it for sure. 50.
You gotta double up though. Hey, look at the fish finder. Easy.
I don't know actually. You didn't file it.
So right now it's the end of the tide and we're just checking all the lines, and lo and behold there's a fish just chilling on this last rod. And initially we thought it was just a shaker, but it turned out to be something a little bigger.
Хотел подтянуть леску, и он тут же схватил.
It's a shaker, yeah. So, I'll call you back, bro.
This is not a shaker.
Peace.
Это крепкая
This is a hog.
катушка.
Did two cranks and got stuck. Dude, this is a big fish.
It might jump. Моя камера включена, девушка?
А?
Включена? No, that one's
Да,
good.
да.
Bro.
Holy crap.
Hog.
Dude, that's... How much line you got on here?
Plenty.
Okay.
300 yards.
Сильный кабан. Раскручивает катушку.
Давайте.
Oh, shit.
All the rods are slacked.
It's a big one.
Сайз.
Sammy size.
По морде такой же, как мой.
Ooh, he ain't ready.
Чуть длиннее. Но это сайз.
Dude, no.
Да?
Нет, это
Овер?
под 70, я think.
Yeah.
So it happens the way you fight him. You bring him in green.
Будешь поймать его в
No,
лоб?
no, no, no.
Да?
No. I my zaraz ich was zanesami vodka skries. Dude, that is huge. Oh, it's a big ass fish.
No wonder he ran like crazy. Oh, it's kind of wrapped, huh?
He's
So it drags-
wrapped right now, yeah.
Long way. You might have to loosen it up. Usually when they're wrapped like that, let him unwrap himself while it's looser. There you go.
Okay.
See, now you can tighten it.
Да, овер.
See, it keeps trying to wrap. I'll take care of it.
Dude, I knew right away. Big fish.
It's like that one day, huh? How big you think?
I think like 72, 73 maybe. Honestly, it might even be longer than the other one, but it's just not as fat.
Хорошо, что у него зубов нет.
The holder. Get ready to move here. Oh, this one's getting bites, I think, though. You ready to go? Reel on the reel. That's the fish. Yep. There you go. See?
Hell yeah.
Just keep it tight. Good job. Keep on that side. See? Oh, we gotta go on this side. Good jump.
GoPro, Donnie, GoPro.
Okay, one more. Alright, I'll just launch this. Left rod. What is that? Not fish. Yeah, it's a slot. You got all the debris out. Ooh. Always scared when they do that.
He's been doing that.
He's trying to crock roll you like crazy. This looks like a 50 incher.
Oh, it's like, yeah.
Maybe it's a 47 incher to be honest. Yeah.
Nice keeper.
Good? You guys ready?
Yep.